growing sprouts at home, is actually super simple. This mason top sprouting lid is what I've used. The most hassle-free and error-proof tool. A set comes with 2 lids, single-use lids, no bottles. But as long as it's a wide-mouth mason jar, it can be used. The usage is also very simple. I'll use broccoli seeds as an example. First, put a tablespoon of seeds in the jar. Not too much. The seeds will sprout and expand. Every type of seed is the same. First, add water. Soak for 6 to 8 hours. Then pour out the water. With the mouth facing down, what about the broccoli? For the first 3 days. No rinsing, starting from the 4th day. Rinse 2 to 3 times a day. That's it. Other seeds like wood seeds. Mung bean sprouts just need rinsing 2 to 3 times daily. So what's special about this lid? The most unique feature is its grooved filter design in the center. Regular flat lids can get stuck with too many roots. Water won't drain out and air can't get in, making it super hard to clean. However, the mason top's lid is designed. The backflow groove allows sprouts to grow out. It can be rinsed easily without clogging. Plus, there's a support leg at the bottom. When placed upside down, it drains completely, preventing the sprouts from soaking, and it won't smell. Also, it has a polygonal design. Unlike round lids, it won't keep rolling around. Super stable, and the overall material is great. Rust resistant and durable sealing signals. With the ventilation design, the sprouts grow especially well, so if you want to try growing sprouts at home, I recommend definitely choosing this one. Mason tops pretend to sprouting. Just put on a lid. Works for all types of seeds. It's really super easy to use.